So I have got two very exciting deliveries here. Two different things, four different things, but as some of you would have realised, because I've had a few messages, I haven't been uploading since I got back from holiday. It's been just over 2 weeks since I last uploaded, and basically my phone keeps running out of storage. I have an iPhone, and other people probably experience this as well, because I used to get it with my old phone. It just has no storage and it's really annoying. And I've tried uploading to iCloud, I've tried all these different things, and it just doesn't seem to work. So because my phone now cuts out when I video, so I actually filmed some Christmas stuff which I'm going to try and still make into a video, but I filmed some Christmas promo stuff and I lost half the footage because the camera just stopped because I ran out of storage. So we got a new camera and we also got a new mic. So I am not going to do a full unboxing just because I don't think you're that interested, but this is the camera that I got. It is the Canon G7X Mark II. It is very well known as a vlogging camera. I used to have the M50, but I found because I wasn't going out with it, which is more kind of like common, because I just wanted it for at home, or like I want it to go in my handbag if I am going out. I can't take like a big camera bag out with me. I wanted something smaller, and this is literally the size of your phone. So we're going to open it up and I'll just give you a little show so that you can just see. Oh, it's so tiny. So it is so compact, which we love. It's literally smaller than my mobile. Obviously it's thicker than your phone, but it is smaller. It's also got the flip out screen. These people usually break, so I need to be careful with that because I usually push it too far that way and it just snaps off. So I'm going to be extra careful with that. But yeah, just very cute little camera because it's easy to hold, it's very light. So yeah, obviously I paid for it myself, just in case anyone's wondering. But yeah, I'm just very excited to use it because I'm just tired of my phone cutting out every 5 seconds. So that's that. And then we also got a new mic because the podcast is coming back. So I've been very, very busy and not had the time to actually film it because it takes so long and like getting guests and everything. But I need to have discussions with the people that initially wanted to be on it, just to make sure that they still want to be on it. There was something like 15 people that wanted to be on it, which is almost half a year's worth of episodes. So I got a new mic because I'm going to actually have them either in person or they will be via Skype if they're further away. So I wanted a new mic for the podcast so it's a bit better quality. So I'm again excited about that. That's coming back in January. I'm trying to get a few episodes lined up to be filmed this month in December so that I can then line them up to begin in January. So very, very excited about that. But yeah, that's our deliveries for today. So I will see you when I'm doing the tree because we're actually going to be putting up the tree today. So it's kind of like a pre-vlogmas video because Vlogmas starts tomorrow, which is again why I needed the camera, because my phone will not let me film like 25 days worth of footage. So we're going to be doing Vlogmas. So if there's anything that you particularly want to see for Vlogmas, then comment it down below because I am still taking requests. So that is pretty much the update. But I had a very good holiday for anyone that's wondering, and now I'm back and I've been really missing vlogging like so much. And every time someone sends me a message saying like, have I missed a video? When is the next one? I'm like, I know I haven't posted one, and it's like, it's nothing against you, but I'm just like gagging to put another one up. But it's just so annoying that my phone has been like playing up so bad. But yeah, we're gonna stop rambling and I'll see you in a little bit. Right, so I just dropped off a few parcels at the post office, and basically there's a new Sainsbury's in town. I'll give you a little show of the outside. I'm probably not going to be, you know, feeling confident enough to film inside, and it's really, really busy because it's new. But it's literally just finished being built, and if you live in Buckinghamshire, you'll know that MK has like a massive Walmart Asda like mix, and this is a new Sainsbury's, and it gives me the same vibes. It is huge, like literally it's the biggest shop that we have in this town, and it's amazing so far. I mean, I haven't been in it yet, but I'm looking forward to it because it looks great from the outside. It has Starbucks, which is always a good sign, and I'm going to treat myself to a Starbucks because we don't have one in Aylesbury. Like, it's shocking. We do not have we don't have a Starbucks in Aylesbury. We have loads of Costas. We have Esquire's Coffee, Cafe Nero, but this is the first Starbucks, so I honestly think it's going to probably put Costa out of business. So we're gonna go in there, have a little look. Someone is staring at me, so I'm really trying not to make it obvious that I'm just talking to myself. We love public filming. Now that I have a camera, I'm gonna be like trying to public film all the time because why not? So we're going to go into Sainsbury's, I'm going to get a Starbucks, and we're going to have a little look around. I'm only going to take 2 bags because I do not want to spend too much. So, I'll see you in a bit. I made it at Sainsbury's alive. It was very, very busy. I filmed one bit of an aisle, and even that took me like 5 minutes to get because there were just people stood right next to me and like leaning over me getting stuff, so it was just so busy. I got some good things, like some things that I wouldn't normally buy anywhere else because they don't necessarily do it. I got this really good, let me show you. It's a 12-inch pizza, so I don't know who the hell is eating it, but hopefully I can manage it all. This is what it looks like. So yeah, it's this giant pizza. So it's a veggie feast, which I haven't seen anywhere else. I didn't get a Starbucks because the queue was like 1,000 people long, and I was desperate for the toilet. So I was like, I am not waiting in that queue with 2 bags of shopping and needing the toilet. So bit TMI, but yeah, so we didn't get Starbucks, but we will next time. I'm determined to get Starbucks because I'm so excited that they actually have one. So yeah, let's get in. We got some more deliveries. This is a little sneak peek because I need to double check them. Initially I didn't want to open them. 1, I've kind of forgotten how many things I've ordered for this video, and 2, I need to know whose has arrived so that I know who else I'm waiting for. Basically, I'm doing a buying from my followers video. I mentioned it on my Instagram. If you follow me on there, then you'll know. So a couple of them have arrived. I'm hoping that some more arrive maybe tomorrow and the next day. Fingers crossed. I either paid for like next day's delivery or first class, so they should all arrive. But we have Jilly's, so shout out to Jilly. You know who you are. Jilly watches the videos. I don't know about anyone else, whether they watch the videos, so but they will know that they're going to be in a video. But we're going to be doing that in a separate one where I taste test everything, so it will be part of the Vlogmas stuff. So we have Jilly's, and then this is Delights by Dina. So I want to open them because I'm very impatient, so I don't want to wait. Oh, this is lovely packaging, putting me to shame. So I think, what did I get? I got some Millionaire slices because it's something that I've never had. Was it Millionaire slices? No, that was someone else. I got cookies. I got Terry's chocolate orange and s'mores, and they look amazing. I'll give you a little sneak peek. That's the Terry's chocolate orange. I got 2 Terry's chocolate orange, and then I got 2 s'mores. I don't know how to make cookies well. They always turn out like okay, not like the kind of chunky cookie that these are. They always turn out thin, which is kind of like a store-bought cookie, which I like, but I don't want. So, oh, look how Christmassy this packaging is. So yeah, I thought I would try some cookies from someone else, and then try and perfect my recipe, because cookies is something that I love eating, but I do not know how to make. Oh, so much nice packaging. Literally, I need to up my game so much. Oh, she added something extra. It's an Indian sweet. Oh, I'm gonna save that for the video because I'm very interested to try that. Oh, I don't want to ruin the packaging too much. I said to Jilly that she can decorate it however she wants, so this is a complete surprise. Oh, it looks so good. I'm going to give you a little, I don't know if you can see that, probably not. There's little gingerbread men in there, but like I say, I'm not going to show you too much because I want you to watch the video. So those are the 2 deliveries that came. You're probably going to see a few more over the next few days because I'm expecting quite a few. I think I ordered like maybe 9 boxes of things, which is probably way too much for one person to eat, but yeah, so that's the update. We haven't done the tree yet, as you can probably guess, so we're going to do that now because we were busy procrastinating. So yeah, we're going to go and get all the stuff out for the tree now and then get decorating. I think that's probably going to be the last thing for today, so yeah.